Hello. So, some of you have already started turning in your flowcharts, and I'm grading them as they come in so that if you would like to work ahead on getting started on your lab report on your unknown bacteria, you can do that. Um, Whenever I grade your flowchart, I'll send you personally an email and say your unknown is number 1, 2, 3, etc. And then when you're ready to start working on the lab report, you'll email me and say, I have sample number 3. I would like to perform this kind of stain or this kind of experiment. Please tell me what my results would have been. So then let's say you tell me you would like to do a simple stain. I'll email you back either a photo or a drawing of a simple stain of your bacteria. Or if you tell me you would like to look at the colony morphology on a Petri dish, I'll email you a picture of that. And you can look at either your slide or your photo of the colony on a Petri dish and interpret the results for yourself and use that to go through the flow chart and determine your next steps. If you have any questions about how to actually interpret what you see in these pictures, you're welcome to ask me. I also encourage you to ask one another. Scientists normally would collaborate together when they're working professionally. And if we were in person, you would all be in a lab together with one another and you'd have a lab partner. So if you want to email one another, if you want to Zoom with one another, if you want to participate in the discussion boards, that is perfectly welcome. You are allowed to help each other. Or if you have questions, you can ask me. If something in the picture is unclear, you can ask me to clarify further or for a different image or something like that. Um, but that's how this will work. We'll email each other back and forth. You will say, I'd like to do this experiment, and I'll say, this is what your results are. And then the next experiment, you will come up with what the next experiment is. I will not tell you what you should do. Then the next experiment, you'll tell me, okay, my next experiment is this. What would my results be? And we'll go back and forth until you think you have it figured out what your organism is. And it will be one of the ones on this flow chart. I will not be pulling a fast one on anybody and giving you something that's not on the flow chart. I will not pick something unless it's on that flow chart. And if you're collaborating with other people, there might be more people in the class than there are organisms on that flow chart. So there is a chance someone else will have the same organism you do, which is another reason I encourage you to collaborate with each other if you wish. If you have any further questions about what to do, let me know. And I just wanted to record a little video and introduce this since it's a little different than our normal standard way of doing our assignments in this class, and I want to make sure it's clear to everybody exactly how we'll proceed. Thanks for your attention. Have a great day.